Dear connections, today I will discuss about live connection mode of Power BI. Power BI has four kinds of connection mode: import mode, direct query mode, live connection mode, and mix mode. I already created video on import mode and direct query mode in my YouTube channel. I will give the link in my description box so you guys can check that. So without any further delay, let's jump into my Power BI service. I already created a test PBIX file and uploaded it into this workspace test underscore WS into Power BI service. So yeah, so after uploading it, we need to create one live connection mode dashboard. So how to create that? Click on this test dashboard and you may think like how I got this Power BI service access. I This is not my uh, this is my personal laptop, not my professional one. So this is basically a free trial account for 60 days. You guys, if you have on Microsoft account, you can access Power BI service with that using free trial to practice. So here you need to go to file option, then download this file. Here you need to click on this second option, a copy of your report with a live connection to data online. Now download. After downloading, click on it, it will open. While it is opening, let us discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of live connection mode. Advantages are always it always shows latest data, no refresh needed into Power BI since it always shows the latest data. Centralized data model, better security and governance. RSS handled at model level. And limitations: you can't create a new table, you can't modify relationship, you can't create calculated columns, you can't use Power Query. That means the transform data is will be disabled. All modeling and DAX measures must be done in the source model. Hmm. So it is coming slowly, the live connection dashboard. Just wait for some time, it is hanging, but it will definitely open. While it is opening, let's discuss about the use case of live connection dashboard. See, live connection dashboard is helpful during your production phase. Like we all know that all the projects have four phases and the last phase is production phase. Okay. So I faced it in my previous company and in my current company also. When your dashboard is delivered and you delivered it, like you delivered it uh, not in the last date you did, like let's say the production go live date was 10th of January and you delivered the dashboard on December, so you basically have many days between that time. So what clients will do is like they will come up with new requests, small requests, change requests, like please change the color of the column header, please change the font, please change the font color, please make it as Calibri or Arial font. Okay, some small more visuals, like very small changes. So what you can do is like at that time you can Just download the live connection dashboard from here. Do the changes into Power BI desktop, and again you can replace this dashboard into that same Power BI workspace path. Okay, the file is already open. Now you can see, if you want to open the transform data, it will not open, it will throw an error. See, data transformation is not available into live connection mode. In data model also you can't change anything. And uh, and if you want, if you can, if you will try to create a calculated column. See, let's try to create a calculated column. New measure you can create, but calculated column you can't create, I think. Measure you can create, but you can't create the calculated column. That's why see, if the new column, this, you can create, click on that, this option also, to create a calculated column. This is disabled. So this is the whole thing of live connection mode. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section or LinkedIn also. Thank you very much.